Hi everyone, it's Asia Marka here, Lemon Creation. Today I have another great unboxing, plus I'm gonna make an art journal page, so stay tuned. Well, I think November it's gonna be a month of unboxing. So I have another video with unboxing. This one is completely different because I got from Journalsay art journal supplies. They are mostly papers, but not only. There's some really great thing in this box. So first of all, I really like the box. I think they changed the box because I haven't had opportunity to make unboxing from Journalsay for months. But as far as I remember, they used to come in envelopes or normal regular boxes. It's so nice right now to have a very nice box. And everything is nicely wrapped. So here it is, my small treasure. I'm gonna show you one by one, piece by piece, what I got. So first, this is the thing I've never actually seen before, but when I saw it, it's watercolor folding. When I saw it on their webpage, I said, no, I have to have it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I am absolutely in love with the designs. So I think I'm gonna try to maybe do something like a drawing on the other side and maybe add some small pieces and touches of mine to just keep it a little bit mine, because I just don't want to keep it like that. Even though I find it's beautiful, I want to add a little bit of my touch in it. Next products are the ribbons. I am, or transfer sheet. I am, I don't know if it's a polite word, I hope it is, but I am a sucker for ribbons. And I bought, I think, 3, as far as I remember, so you're gonna see a little bit later. And then I have this cut kind of stickers. I think those are stickers. I actually didn't check because I bought them for my daughter. We have a black cat at home, and I just thought this has to be, you know, I have to have it, and I want to give it to her. So I really love it. She loves books and she loves her cat, so I thought it's just such a great idea. And there was one white cat. I don't know if you've seen it. Here we go, the second folding watercolor sheet. Amazing also, absolutely love the designs. If you have any idea on what can I do with that, just let me know please in the comments. I am really, I'm gonna sleep on it for I think many nights before I'll come up with the idea on how to use them. And here in this very nice envelope, there are like kind of cutouts. I don't think they are stickers. I didn't check them, but I think you have to use the glue, but I don't mind. So, you know, some of them are in paper, like a kind of cardboard paper, really nice for focal points, and the rest of them are like, you know, on the acetate, I think it's called. It's like a pet stickers. So there is a lot of these grungy industrial elements in this envelope. I think it's around 90, if I'm not mistaken. Many things to work with, many things to use for focal points, and as you can see, or as you saw on the first photo I showed you, I'm gonna be using these numbers for my art journal page, which I'm gonna be making with the products I got in the box. You can see here. And here are the small papers. They are very tiny. They are almost like tissue or rice papers. Not exactly, but like, I don't know, maybe they are like 40 grams. I have no idea, but they are really nice. They're really nice in touch. When I'm touching them, they are really great. So here we go, the envelope. I'm really happy with these purchases. Another thing is the washi tape, Christmas nutcracker. Look at this, guys, it's huge, it's absolutely beautiful, and it looks like kind of a postcard. So there are these scenery with nutcrackers in them. And I have to tell you, I don't know, there is like maybe 20-30 of them. I'm not sure, I didn't count, but I'm showing you all of them. Not one is repeated twice, so every single one is different. It's absolutely great. It's perfect for, I think, for like maybe a small card making or ATCs if you don't fancy working too much. It's absolutely great, absolutely nice. Also, the quality is there. And I have a carving knife because, well, we never have enough of those. And mine is dying slowly, so I thought I'm gonna just get myself a carving knife. And now I have two-way glue. I have no idea why is it called two-way glue. There is just one way for me. Please guys explain me if you know what they mean by that. So it's a zig from Kurateke, and it has this fine nib, so it's gonna be nice for a small tiny details. And I got myself also a few, I don't know, there is around 10 brushes. They are the ones, the very pointy one, very, you know, for the fine painting. But they are quite good. I'm gonna be using them later in the video. But I have to admit, I'm using a lot of Fumui brushes, and they are the quality is not the same. And here I also order 4 China inks. I already have a few of them. As you can see, I'm showing you some of them are almost gone. Apparently I have now 3 brown ones. I just didn't notice that. But yes, they are. I use them quite a lot. They are quite nice. So I decided to order some doubles. And for the very first time, I ordered those ink pads. They come in a variety of 16 colors. They are kind of vintage inspired, but I have to tell you, they are very weird. I've never used I mean, not bad weird. I don't know. I have to use them in time to be able to tell you exactly. But they are weird in the sense that the pad is like a caoutchouc one. It's kind of like a gum. I don't know. It's very weird. But the ink transfer is quite good, as you can see here. The white one, I was thinking I bought the white which is visible on black. It is not. It's actually a ink which is gonna be good for embossing, which I'm gonna show you later in the video. So here that didn't work. But then again, I'm getting confused all the time with inks. And look at that. They are very rich in color, but the color is also water reactive, which I'm gonna show you later on. And I bought myself a small case, metal case for tweezers. Tweezers, I think they are called. Because I have a problem, I put them always in the pot with my pens and stuff, and they are getting bended. So like that, I have my tweezers in a box. The box got a little bit bended during travel, I imagine, but well, doesn't matter that much. And here is my embossing folder I bought, or I got rather, and it's absolutely beautiful with the vintage writing. I don't use embossing folders that much, nor cutting dies also, because I don't like to take out my cutter bag, but this one I absolutely loved. Here in my hand I'm holding another set of ribbons. I was trying to get what it is, but then I realized that yes, of course, they are ribbons or transfer sheets. Beautiful ones. So they are of very good quality. You're gonna see later when I am doing my page, my art journal page, why I like them so much. And I also wanted very much to have those kind of bottles and jars. They are from made from a cardboard, but they look very, very nice, very realistic. And I kind of like bottles. I don't use them too much because I simply don't have any paper elements or stamps like that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to use them. And here is another sheet of ribbons. And the last items in the box, those are the stencils. It's been a long time since I bought myself stencils or stamps, because as you know, I had my shop, which now is in the middle of closing down. So I do not produce any more stamps or stencils. So I'm gonna be using other brands. And I wanted to check them out also. No, there is another item I bought. So those are the plastic boxes. Because for years I've been struggling with what to do with my washi tapes. These two ones full already, I'm showing you, they are actually coming, I bought them for like €1, and they are actually done for the batteries, like you know, AA or AAA, and so I use them for my washi, but they are just, the washes are moving in, you know, some parts of the boxes too much. So I decided to check the boxes from Journalsay. So those are the boxes now. They are made specially for washi tapes. And yes, the washi, especially the big washes, the white ones, they are actually going inside very well because the boxes are quite deep. I would say for me they could be less deep, because in some cases, like here, I had a problem to take out the tape, but then again you can put it like that, just vertically instead of horizontally, and it works just fine. So right now I have all of my washes well organized, and I'm really happy about that. And I hope it will stay like that. I have to also stop buying washi because I really don't need any more. So I have those 3 boxes from Journalsay. And now I'm gonna show you quickly how water reactive the ink pads are. That's I did it like maybe 10-20 minutes after putting the ink on the paper, so you can see they are still very water reactive, but the white one is perfect for embossing. The whole box I had in front of you cost around $100. So here you go, you have value for the money, and in the description box below you're gonna get a link to Journalsay shop and the discount code, so please check that out. And right now I'm gonna start doing my art journal page with the products only from Journalsay. Because, well, let's put them to use, and also let's show you, you know, how they work, because for me, unboxing or product review is not good enough if you don't use the products. So I'm gonna go and start with those ribbons. I lost the word here. I usually with ribbons I cut bits and pieces of ribbons, and I just use them like that because I like irregular edges. So for me this is the perfect thing. I dream for years to find this kind of, how do you call it, ledger books, I think. I've never had one like old ledger books papers. So this particular ribbon I really love, and I'm actually sorry I didn't take like 2 or 3 of them. Also the color is beautiful, it's kind of like on the purple side. And I'm gonna show you why actually I like this one so much, because I am using ribbons from other brands like Holtz, for example, and they are beautiful, and I have nothing to say about it. But if you put colors on ribbons from, for example, Holtz, but not only him, they will actually you know, they will not stay on the ribbons itself, because ribbons are very how do you say, smooth and very plastic. In this case, look at that, guys. This actually dried and it stayed on the ribbon itself, so I'm really happy. I was very surprised with this effect. I was thinking that all which is, you know, which is stuck on the ribbons is gonna be just removed easily, but no, it actually stayed there. And right now I'm using a little bit of China ink. China ink, you show me already using them. I'm happy with them. I'm not expert on China inks, but I feel like they are working fine for me. And I use the brush to make some kind of asemic doodling. But as I mentioned, the brushes are not my cup of tea. I think I don't. They are okay. They are okay. They are not artist quality, I think, I'm sure. But just for a small doodling like this one, they are just more than enough. I was actually surprised. I was thinking I'm gonna make a very simple art journal page, and at the end I finished with a journal page which I really like. So it was a big surprise for me that I managed to use so many of the products I ordered, and it seems like maybe I am I am more how do you call it, wise if it comes to ordering things now. Over the years I learned what I really use and what I just buy because I saw somebody using it or because it just looks simply nice enough. I also love the colors and, you know, all these grunge designs. The grunge designs I use a lot, but colors sometimes I buy things just because they look nice, like those watercolor folding sheets I showed you at the beginning. But these ones I really need them. They are so beautiful, and I'm gonna make them my own. I don't know in which video, but I'm gonna show you guys how much I changed them and what I'm gonna do with them. And if you have any ideas, like I asked you earlier, please let me know. So I did a little bit of stenciling with cream paste from Stamperia and the stencil from Journalsay, and I forgot to put the camera on. I add a little bit of this pet, it's not sticker, but part of the box of the elements, vintage elements. Sorry, I got a tongue twister again, and I left it like that. Just with those two elements, I actually cut this kind of a ruler in two, so you can see there is a piece on the top and piece on the bottom. And my focal points are gonna be just simply the numbers. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to check the discount code in the description box below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I always answer. I am sending you huge hugs, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a beautiful day.